Hey guys, welcome to Dr. Clear Chef, and today I'm going to show you how to make some easy crock-pot turkey chili recipe. This is a fantastic recipe for the fall, and it's a great way to get a lot of micronutrients and a lot of good quality protein into your diet. So with that being said, let's get started and let's get the recipe on the show. So for this recipe, you're going to need 1 to 2 pounds of ground turkey, some organic carrots. I'll be using 2 for this recipe. I'll be using 2 to 4 stalks of celery, 2 cans of red kidney beans, and finally I'm going to be using 2 cans of organic diced tomatoes. And for the seasoning, I'm going to use some salt and pepper, some organic chili powder, garlic, and cumin. So to start this recipe off, you're going to start by cooking your ground turkey and or ground beef. I'm going to use some organic extra virgin olive oil and use some organic ground turkey. This one is a local one. I'm going to cook the ground turkey for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to flip it halfway so the ground turkey is evenly cooked on both sides. Now while the meat is cooking, I'm going to season the ground turkey with some salt and pepper. Some organic cumin. Some organic garlic powder. And last but not least, I'm going to use some organic chili powder to the mix. Ground turkey takes about 4 to 5 minutes to cook per side. A good way to know if your turkey's cooked, it should be no pink inside, and it should have an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Now after about 4 to 5 minutes, I'm going to simply flip the ground turkey with the spatula and let the other side cook. If you want, you can use 2 pounds of ground turkey for this recipe, but I'm actually going to use 1 pound of ground beef and 1 pound of ground turkey, just so I can get a little more fat from the beef, but at the same time I can get that nice high protein quality from the ground turkey as well. So once your meat is cooked, what you can do is grab a slow cooker, and we're going to actually make this turkey chili in a slow cooker. A slow cooker is a really convenient way for you to cook your food without you actually having to be there. So this is why I really love this recipe. It's because it's very convenient and you don't even need to be present for half of it. Just spend 10 to 15 minutes cooking your meat, add all your ingredients, season, mix, and it's good to go. So now what I'm going to add is 1 pound of ground beef and 1 pound of ground turkey into the slow cooker. Now I'm going to take 2 celery stalks and I'm going to chop them into 1-inch pieces. I'm going to double the amount of celery I have here because 2 is a little much. I'd probably use 2 if I was only using 1 pound of ground beef, but since I'm using double the amount of meat, I'm going to have to use double the amount of vegetables. So 2 celery stalks should do. Or 4, sorry. Yeah, 4, not 2. After you added your celery into the crock pot, we're going to take a couple of carrots and we're going to do the same thing. So now what you're going to want to do is add your diced tomatoes into the crock pot. This looks really good. Holy crap. Just gonna season the chili now with some salt and pepper since it's almost done, but I just feel like this is a good time to add some seasoning since I'm already mixing. I'm going to also add a little bit of bay leaf for a little bit of more flavor to the chili. So now what I'm going to do is add the black beans and also add the 1 can of kidney beans into the recipe. Whatever, that's fine. Now once you added all your ingredients, simply stir with a stick and set it on low for 6 to 8 hours. Also, and this is completely optional, you can add some sauteed onion into this mixture. So I just programmed the slow cooker on a low setting for 7.5 hours. I'm going to check it in about 6-7 hours to see if it's ready. But just let it cook, let all the ingredients infuse, let the celery and the carrots soften. And yeah, this is a great way to get a ton of micronutrients into your diet, but as well you're getting that high quality protein, you're getting some fiber from the beans as well, and protein as well. So this is a really fantastic dish to eat on its own. And that's the video, guys. I guys hope you enjoyed that recipe. If you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Thanks for watching.